All right, guys, back at it. Daily on Supercars. We're still in Fuel Fest.
94 Mazda RX-7, 1600s down low, tuned by Abraham, rated R tuning. He's the man. He is the man.
What is she pushing now?
She pushing 5 original white, chase white RX-7. So
This is a daily.
I
appreciate your time. You got a
problem,
thank you.
man.
Thank you again for your time. All right, guys, back at it. Daily on Supercars. We're still in Fuel Fest. We got something very nice here. Guys, we got Alex here. Alex almost blew out my eardrum. Alex, talk to me about this bad boy.
94 Mazda RX-7, Touring Edition, 13B, large street port. Got the Bark Warner, SXE 362. Primary injectors running 1600s down low, secondaries 2600s. Pretty big injector, but she handles good on it. And drivability is awesome. Engine was built by a company in North Jersey, RPM. They did a great job on the motor. Running on an Motec M130, tuned by Abraham, rated R tuning. He's the man. He is the man. So the video goes viral.
You say Abraham?
Abraham, rated R tuning. Did a great job on this car.
Wow.
Whoever doubts him, they're crazy.
Yes. I mean, she's a thing of beauty. We had to stop you real quick because again, the way that sounded, I'm like, man, that sounds like a rotary. We gotta stop. We gotta talk.
Yeah.
Even if he doesn't want to, we gotta talk.
Yep.
So, what is she pushing now?
She's pushing around roughly 410, 415 on pump gas, 93. We pushed 522 on E85 at 22 pounds of boost.
And she's taking E85.
E85,
wow.
Yes. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, it's got a flex fuel sensor on there. Abraham did my fuel pressure safety, oil pressure safety on it to make sure I don't hurt the engine. If anything goes wrong, I can save it. I did the full function timing trigger. Works great. Shout out to Full Function for that. And of course Motec for giving me the right ECU for the car.
She again, she's a thing of beauty. I mean, guys, we really don't see the RX-7s out here.
We don't.
And this gentleman is here. He's chilling. He's acting like nothing is happening right now. But again, he's got a very rare car with 500 horsepower. What else can you tell us about it? So how did you get your hands on the car?
Searching for years. I wanted an original white, chased white RX-7. So finally went on the internet, found it on Marketplace. Great guy sold it to me. We shot out to Allentown, PA. We made a deal happen. Didn't run right when I got it. He was almost there. He almost had it ready. But I just had to do the fine touches. I upgraded the injectors, did the timing trigger, flex fuel sensor on there to make sure we had everything right. Upgraded the map sensor, and we took it to import DPS to the dyno, and she did amazing. No hiccups, not one flaw.
Wow.
Car did great.
That is a thing of beauty. And what are you running on tires and wheels to put that power down?
So I'm running the Continental, but the rims are BC Forge. 9-inch in the front, 10.5 in the rear. Fits the wheel perfect, doesn't rub, no rub issues. Quarters ain't rolled or nothing.
Wow. And Alex, I mean, Alex, you sure you didn't paint this car? This car's looking fresh. This guys, again, I don't know if he's gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you, hopefully the camera catches it. This car is super clean, guys. I mean, again, I'm just coming up, let me just put the camera close so probably gets it. This car is super clean, guys. I can't put it into words again how clean this car is.
And that still got the factory Bose system from '94.
You say you still got the factory Bose?
Factory Bose system from the '90s. Got a couple things in here due to the show. Still got the factory system. Everybody used to rip these out back in the '90s, lighting the cars up, but this car still has it. Still clean and original.
Wow. Guys, so you guys are looking at something very nice, something very special. You know, something very nice that Alex has here.
Yep, touring model, sunroof model.
And what have you done to the interior?
Interior is all factory. I do got my Motec M130, the control panel, so I can up my boost, down my boost, two-step, rolling anti-lag, traction control. Everything's done right through there.
Wow.
The interior is pretty much factory, the way it would be, but nice and clean.
Wow, guys. Yeah, I mean, I never been in one of these, Alex, so this looks pretty nice.
And anybody watching this video, they already know the phenomenal RX7 door panels. They all break. These are still nice and clean. I had this at home. Got to put it back on, but I have everything. Not broken, nothing.
Wow, 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 guys. Again, you're hearing it from the man itself. This car is clean. I mean, this car is super clean, guys. And you know, he's an adult with a big toy. This is a very big toy.
Alex, let them know we're putting another one together.
And
We got another one on the way. That one's coming out soon. Hopefully we'll make it. Well, not hopefully, we'll make it next year to Fuel Fest.
so you say you have another
we have
another
a red
one of these?
on the way.
Wow, 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 guys. Can't
You
put
think
it.
this car's clean? That one's really clean.
The other one's gonna be even cleaner.
Oh yeah.
Wow, guys. Again, this is a thing of beauty. This is a very nice car. This is a thing of beauty. And that white,
Alex white, yep.
Alex definitely did a good job. Got the carbon fiber there. Don't get it.
Only roughly 13,800 made in the U.S. All 3 years, 93, 94, and 95. That's all colors. Only 13,000 in the U.S.
And I got a question for you.
Yes.
Is this a daily?
I pull out on the weekends all the time.
Yeah.
Me and my girl go for cruises, and we enjoy the car. We have fun with it.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
So guys, you're hearing it from the man himself. He could daily it. It's not a problem. 500 to the 500.
500, 520 to be
520 to be exact.
exact. Yeah.
520. Question to you: is that to the crank or to the wheels?
That's to the wheels.
That's to the wheels.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
guys.
make a little more to the crank.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so he's making a little bit more, guys. So you know this car's putting out some serious power.
Yep.
Alex, we appreciate you.
Still stock throttle body, 13BRE, Cosmo intakes, basically stock, and it's pushing out that, and she runs great.
Wow, 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 wow. It's a thing of beauty. Hopefully we can meet up again.
Yes, definitely.
It's super dark. Hopefully we can meet up again in another event.
Yeah.
And we can, we can do a run. Alex, I appreciate your time. You
No
got a thing of
problem,
beauty.
man.
Thank you again for your time.
Yep.